Hello, this video is about how you can use Sales Navigator filters to filter down your targeted audience. So some of the important filters here when you're starting up your Connect campaign, you need to make sure that you target second degree and the third degree connections. The first degree connections are the one who are already connected with you, so that would be relevant in case you are starting up a new campaign where you want to target your existing connections. Then we have the company headcount option where you would like to maybe target 1 to 10 or any other numbers. You can target them right from here. Current job title, let's say we are looking for CEO. Okay, then you can also use seniority level, years in the current company. We will select North America here. Industry, you can select any, let's say IT services and consultancy. Then we have other options here which you can use. You can also filter them down based on those who have posted on LinkedIn. Change the jobs, so you can turn it on and it will just filter down those who have posted on LinkedIn. And then change jobs, mention in the news. You have all these different options. On the top we have the search keyword field, so we highly recommend not to use this field. The reason for that is that this is a keyword field which will filter down anybody. Let's say if you write down CEO here and you want to target CEOs, later down maybe a person could have been a CEO in the previous position but not like working as a CEO in the current company. It will pull down all those prospects who have the CEO mentioned in their profile anywhere. So that's not the right, it will not filter down the right audience for you. So the best is to use all these different filters. Now here you have the list of all the different people we have filtered down based on all the different filters we have here. And all you have to do is that after that you need to grab the URL on the top in the URL bar, and that URL could be used to source your leads when you're starting up your campaign on Linkedcamp. If you're not clear about anything or do you have any questions, feel free to reach our support team and we are here to help you out. Thank you.